KAKO, and today we're going to animate this cool AI anime boy all in After Effects. Let's do it! First, I download this free anime image from pixabay.com, then open it in Photoshop, and I separated hair, eyebrows, face, eye pupils, clothes and lips with the help of pen and stamp. Now you can download this split Photoshop file from the link in the comments. Okay, open After Effects, make a new HD comp, then import the Photoshop file. Composition, layer size, okay, I do the compositing first, then animate. So right click and make a new black solid. Open it, transform, keyframing opacity. First 0, then 100, 100 to 0. 0 to 100, I think.
I know Morse code.
See? Now trim the comp layer. Press S, increase the scale. Add key. 180. Next one, increase the scale, move, keyframe the scale from the darkness to zoom in. Nice! Then draw a black rectangle. Select rectangle 1, duplicate, bring it down with the selection tool. Open rectangle, transform, add position. Then change position. Cut the shape layer. Select the last keys, press F9. Now import the music and dust. I put them with the full music for you. Select dust, set mode on add. Place it under the solid and turn off animate. Go to the character comp. First I animate the hairs. Solid 1, add 3 pins. Then open the powerful AFP area script, which I put in the project file. Run. Well done. Don't forget to close AFP and do the same for the another hair. Solo 1, 2, 3. Window, AFP, run. For short hair, 2 pins are enough. And repeat it again and again. good, but it could be better. Now select hair and go to the effect control. You can see the rig setting. I just changed AMP, frequency, delay and random speed. Thin hair has a faster speed and thick hair has a slower speed. Now change the speed and smoothness with this setting. Of course, you can do it differently. This is the difference I said before. Incredible! You! Yeah, you! Thank you for being with me so far. Now tell me, what kind of animations would you like to teach you? Your comments are valuable for me. Keep going. Now make the eye pupils bigger. From 100 to 150. And the eyebrows rise at the same time. With just 3 pins. Again, select eyebrows, press U, change them. Again, I like your eyes. In the next step, we need a background. Make a new solid of boy colors. Duplicate. Change color from layer. Solid setting. Okay. Mask it with a circle. Open mask. Set feather on 550. Duplicate. Change the color to a beautiful yellow. Set mode on divide. At the end, select cyan solid, showing the mask. Add a scale. Then increase. Select keys, press F9. See!
Oh my god!
For mouth, first add some puppet pins to the lips. Now based on our cut in the main comp, we determine the start and end point of the animate. Go back, Place the closed lip keys at the marker. Then change the lip like a cool smile. Now draw outline the lip with pen. Put it under the lip layers. Keyframing pass. Change it. Draw the teeth up and down. Press Ctrl Alt Home. Take them under the lips. Press R and Shift P. Add rotation and position. Change them. Now take a duplicate from inside the mouth and put it above the tooth. Again, select the teeth and set track matte on all format. Press Ctrl A, then U. Select mouse keys and press F9. Perfect. Now draw a star. Open it, put a star pass. Set points on 4, inner radius 11, outer radius on 42, inner roundness on 72, and outer roundness on 10. Now keyframing the position. From edge of closed mouth to the open. Then rotation -74 to 26. Add a scale 0. Then increase. Again 0. At the end, keyframe the outer radius 0 to 42. Ta-da! You're someone reason to smile. Go on. I put some pins on his face to stretch his skin when he smiles. Select face, press U. The timing is from lip move to the smile. Okay, for clothes, I had separated in Photoshop. Now from effects and presets, add wave warp. By this setting. And it's the result. Congratulations! Interesting tutorials are waiting for you, so be sure to subscribe me if you like more of this. Good luck, guys!